Welcome children in bio class. Children, now you are going to study second nucleic acid RNA, that is ribonucleic acid. Ribonucleic acid is a single stranded nucleic acid. It is found in all living cells. It is found in the nucleus and in the cytoplasm. RNA is the only macromolecules which also functions for the storage of information and also as a catalyst. The catalytic RNA are called ribosomes. RNA is found chiefly in the cytoplasm and in the nucleolus. In the cytoplasm it occurs freely as well as in the ribosomes. RNA can also be detected from mitochondria, chloroplast and they are associated with eukaryotic chromosomes. Children, you have to study molecular structure of DNA, molecular structure of RNA. RNA can be easily understood because it is single-stranded structure, unbranched and polynucleotide chain. It is often folded back. RNA is formed of several hundreds or thousands of nucleotides. The sugar found in the nucleotide of RNA is ribose. Therefore, the nucleotide of RNA is called ribonucleotides. The four nitrogenous bases which are found in RNA are adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. In the DNA, thymine nitrogenous base is found, but here in the RNA is uracil. So therefore, four nitrogenous bases of RNA are adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. At the place of thymine, here is uracil. So children, you have studied the pentose sugar, ribose is found. So this is the structure of pentose sugar, ribose. It is made up of 5 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Its molecular formula is C5H10O5. And there are how nucleotide is formed. Then there is pentose sugar. This is the pentose sugar and this is the nitrogenous base adenine and phosphate. So pentose sugar, ribose, adenine nitrogenous base and phosphate. These joined together will form adenosine monophosphate, that is AMP. So this is the one nucleotide of RNA. Like this, if adenine is replaced by uracil, so there will be another nucleotide. If it is replaced by guanine, then third nucleotide and guanine. So cytosine. So this only pentose sugar and phosphate remain the same, only nitrogenous base will change. If nitrogenous base is uracil, then that is different types of nitrogenous base. So these nitrogenous bases change, then types of nucleotide will change. If nitrogenous base is adenine, then AMP, nitrogenous base is guanine, then GMP, nitrogenous base is cytosine, CMP, and nitrogenous base is uracil, then UMP. So these four types of nucleotides are present here. So these four types of nucleotides have shown here. This is the AMP, this is the structure of CMP, and this is the structure of UMP, and like this, if guanine is there, then that is GMP, and these are joined by phosphodiester bonds. So this long polynucleotide chain is formed. The backbone of RNA is made up of alternate pentose and phosphate group. So this is the phosphate group. See, this is the phosphate group, and then pentose sugar. Again phosphate, pentose sugar, phosphate, pentose sugar. So like this it will form backbone of nucleic acid. Now next, children, you have to study types of RNA. There are three types of RNA. One is messenger RNA, second is transfer RNA, and third is ribosomal RNA. So in the types of RNA, first is messenger RNA. So that is called mRNA. Second is transfer RNA, that is tRNA. And third one is ribosomal RNA, that is rRNA. So these three types of RNA is found. RNA are three types: messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA.